In this video, I will share a little Photoshop experience that you may have experienced too. For example, like this. A warning appears that the scratch discs are full. There is one solution you can try. First, go to Edit, then look for Preferences, and select Scratch Disks. Check all drives and click OK. Now try again. The warning no longer appears and you can work as usual. Hope this helps. Thank you for watching until the end. If there is something you don't understand, write a comment below. Click like for support and activate the notification bell to get the next video update.